You understand? Especially boy. You know, some people wey dey be elderly people, you dey talk to them, they go feel say to get sense. You understand? Edo ugbe na dey go dey umodia. Ero ma o. Ugbe na dey go dey umodia. Ero ma o. Yesterday night, I dey listen to my boy they talk. They reply Vera. I was ashamed of myself. Me myself at the shame. You understand? When I dey listen, now my boy even matter they hear what Vera because I know they watch Vera, I know they follow Vera, I know they watch Vera. I don't even know what Vera talk now. You understand? Now own math, I dey hear what Vera talk. Who called for Vera video? You understand? See Vera, my boy, this gone, my boy. You see, ye boy, Kenati or one ati or her. You understand? This matter, this two of them matter. Let us be frank to ourselves. All of us now human being for the social media. There's person some day for fake accounts, but now person they operate that fake account. And I believe that person when they operate that fake account, you go get sense. You understand? So wa bitota wa ya bileketi. In wa ya tota mnyangba je madene. Wa ato. Omani hiya gugu madene. Iji mariye Boyi, we read about Timano Koge, a Vera TV. Yeah, Vera because he did a venue and Vaven, let you winner, every no ba. I don't yak with time where no aim no my, no bar, no where no ye, and when I be yariri, Mac Kakino Yerio. Or Yame Guya one there. After cutting on what they can autumn in a row, ye boy. You understand? A cat ye, let you win a wire, and they live in one down your men were carrying again, and Guya boy. No kie wiri uligi bunyanga no hiasumna. Ikmenga wokan biena ikenati o wane ati o ha. Oyametiwe as a sister. Deviate from the thing that's going to happen now. The cancer that will happen now. Yegwele now. Fine. After I called you and Suzuzi, Esther talk show was insulting you. According to you, you said Esther talk show is going on. You want to watch Esther talk show, and you reported to me, say you want to reply Esther talk show. Okay, no problem, but do it in a mature way. Reply in a mature way. We not go lead to disgraced. I see the two of now. I got to watch the two of now. Since what two of now start? You and Esther. Yeah, boy, now they talk so. You and Esther. I see the way they do our drama. Yeah, you want to do what you want, wash carry shampoo, make it go wash this one. Esther still do come for you. Okay, fine. That one I just normal. No, do not normal saga. Play now. All you not for. And I so much also respect Esther for one thing. The way you see they insult you, the way you take insult her, the way not to do na own saga, not do in a mature way. Oh my brother, be careful. Amaya if you no get a month, you no get on now, if you no get on now. You understand? And two of them na still enter us. Thank God for that one. Now, Vera come out. Now you now ye boy, na Vera cause the insult. Good. What that will how you do? Mo Umenwan. Agboka ninya, agbinya noka. I cannot say because you're my sister. When you are wrong, me I call the cover up. No. If you are right, I wanna agbu ekwe kubana. Merema, enough happen. You understand? Iye boy, a Vera ladi avec beti wina. Ona wunye gwale the truth. O wunye gwale mata. Deme no roto na. Deme no roto na wunye gwale mata. Eme no concerne e monika be e lolo. We the wa down ho. I will no do wa down ho. Vera wunye gwale truth concerning the issue between a lolo and Monica. Vera not saying the fine truth concerning the issue between a lolo and Boyi. Now listen, Vera don't come out now. I'm gonna share this video. I'm gonna call Boyi. I'm gonna make us sit down. Make it here. Not be insult. Vera not come out talk, say, I need the truth from Boyi and Lolo matter. No. Vera never come out to talk about the truth from Boyi and Lolo. Vera was looking for the truth between Monica and Lolo. Who they lie? Who lie pass? And I really see that they share me the video. I even play some from my platform. Me, I even insult Vera for that. You understand? Good affair. Now, my sister, Boy, I want to ask you a question. Is joking? You are a mother, you are a grandmother. Very soon you become a great grandmother. Because your granddaughter is 18 plus. And a girl, very fine girl. You understand? Very soon you become a granddaughter, a great grandmother. Now, when Vera beat Lolo, let us not be judgmental here. Maybe not just this sentiment here. Let us go straight the way it is. Let's treat this issue the way it is. I not decide anybody. I'll still give Vera, When Vera decide Lolo, when Vera they beat Lolo, he decide Monica. Yeah, boy, we also the same category with Lolo, Vera. You never call Vera say Vera. Vera was insulting Lolo children. For this social media, what would they so? One of the listening, we know they do saga. I'm not come here for saga, but I just come here to come trash the way it is. Who they bad, who they wrong, I will tell them. Who they right, I will let them know. Vera, they insult Lolo pikin. For this social media, what would they? Iye boy, umala dia zebi ye, zero kono biene, zero kono ma gen to stop Vera. Because Vera was in your cage. Both of you people were in the same category. We had a group, a group of one dozy, a group of one bomb my quick. We had a group ni. Umahame Vera working, do not tell me, or my keke. Iyomo ehi. Despite who feel se kwa, uyeme hawowa, no die. You do not advise Vera like that. Umari Budeni Vera as a grandmother. Good affair. You understand? Now, Dana is the mere way Vera win you give a kun. You get in the lower. You can stay on your own. A Vera Ladian way, I want to be on my own. I don't want to join any group again. I don't want to support anybody. I want to stand to say the truth. Just like the way Baba this man stand alone. Last man standing. He won't say, he may again. As far as social media is concerned. You understand? Because the person you call your friend today will beat you tomorrow. That's the reason why from the day I step into the social media, the only way to stand and speak the truth, nothing but the truth of social media, you don't have a permanent friend, you don't have a permanent enemy. The person you call your enemy today, tomorrow you can also be your friend. That's it. Because God can use your enemy to bless you. You understand? So, the Vera Bina no Monica, or see you singing Monica. Iye boy, Mati Vera to order or teme kinudona makake. Umaladiano no way. We want to see the truth that time. You understand? You did not even come out as a grandmother to speak against these things that Vera was doing. You all were clapping for her. You all were even super chatting her. Even Monica herself talking with Imati in the super chat her. When she beat other people when they against her, Monica the super chat Vera with 50 euro, 50 pounds. When Vera they beat other people for her. Okay, now Vera turned against Monica. From the upset, she never turned against Monica. We all day here. She came out and said, we want the truth. I want to stand alone. I don't want to fight for anybody. I want to be alone and speak the truth. If issue comes on head on social media, I will analyze it the way I know how to do it. If any issue with this social media, I will analyze them. I don't feel fight for anybody again. I want them my own. This matter with the grand, so we want to see the truth. She not mention Monica's name. She not mention Lolo's name. She not mention Boyi name. She not mention Susie name. She not mention GPC name. You understand? And she came as she was doing it. This same me so Baba with this man. Now me call Vera for war again. Say, Vera Larry, you don't ever beat me before. I play all the video where you ever beat me. When I'm not to run. Because I was talking to Monica. I play all the audio. Here, boy, why you deviate from me? And because of Monica. It's the truth. The reason why you run away from me is because of Monica. Because I beat Monica, you leave your own brother. You follow stranger. Because of say he donate money for you or he give you a half bag of rice. You understand? Why down the hole? Okay, fine, good. No cause of alarm. Now let's talk about the issue between you and Vera now. If Vera they always send me Vera video. If Vera do video, they will send it for me. If Vera do video, they will send it for me. See my WhatsApp here. Video of Vera full year. What did they send for me? I never watch one with Vera write topic, say message to my boy. Message to my boy, they insult you because of Monica. I never watch her till this time. This same yesterday, so you understand? But now you, my boy, it did no ye bomber, review, it will be a car. I got by all the beer car, yane. It did no ye bomber, review, we be a car. I got by all the walker, yane. E wan ni busu ni yo yagi you where the na where all you yagi you where Lamidi got you where have never you can never see Lamidi on social media. What you do have on social media, then they bring insult to your mother. You are the one bringing insult to that family with your attitude. You as an elder sister to your junior one, you are supposed to be showing good example. You are supposed to be showing good example. And I'm here where I bet you when they get a way I'm here. I tell you, if you need happiness, walk down with your wa. Ngawa agba yo mugbo, ngawa agba azio. O me kinu ko kin myself, or agbo lo gbe ni wa agba azio. You understand? O me kinu ko kin myself, or agbo lo gbe ni wa agba azio. This same Europe with this loneliness keep faster than HIV. The biggest sickness we will get for this abroad now loneliness. Everybody needs somebody to be talking to. When you begin talking to yourself, madness then it starts. Depression will start. Depression not getting us another cure past communication. You understand? Any little thing you jump on social media, bagger. You want to talk about this one? You want to talk about this one? You want to talk about this one? You go use how many hours? Take gossip person. Can use 2 minutes to teach a language. Now cause all these things. You are a working class woman. You dey work. Me, I know say you dey work. You understand? But your doings on social media, you dey bring shame, they give women. It's unfortunate system for our women don't want to tell you the truth. Because if they tell you the truth, you come against them. You understand even now? Ahon we nu weji, ezo haroto, wenije, utiema. Umenwan, gemata na roto na gagwan yemata na. Yemata na we I don't pa ozi o igwe obi. Gagwan yemata na. Emata le lo Monica na. Ana me go na ware no my phone na. Wa obi do ma ya hu. Gagwan yemata na me we afuri ro. No, we are going. We think on it. You people doesn't think about that. You know the kind of dream we had the dream about now. Some of you live video presenters are too demonic. For real. I'm going to do a live video. If I tell you the kind of people you people are, the kind of animals wanna be, we not go fear. People not going to follow now. Because see who I'm man. How can you imagine now? Vera. Vera. Elamidi a Vera. Elamidi a Vera we were. Oti wene gere, o Vera we were. No, boy, you know social media every time minutes. Even man can tell you we I do tell you every now now we are there. They will start any little they will start waking it up again. You they do videos there the verse for you seriously. You have to watch the video there. Oh na moment. If no keke na miane any little years old, I go to avoid solo ladia. That's why we continue. And etenori yene I do ari no way. Etenori yene I do ari no because of your character. Ama when you do I die go do. Wa wona je mi no dere. Get we no go no there. Vera ọrọbịa were na wọ ya kpọrọ n'ọsọ gbe Vera wee n'ihe Boyi wọ kpọrọ n'ọsọ gbe Vera social media na any respect ama ọ dị ama ọ harọ ọ bụ can bully you if you don't respect yourself tụgharị ya ọ na-egbu people will respect you people will respect you of you were 35 years of you were at Vera Edith at Vera that I know we you were or you do have on social media every time, almost every year. It's a big shame. I mean, not bad. He's joking, act like one. Ebizini, I said, they are meaning now. Udeg is sure a very last way. I want to see the truth. I want to see the truth. As a mother, do you call Vera, call Monica, Wasunu, Osiezo, Wate Kajenia, Wasunu as Iyi? You understand? Who iron the issue amicably? These are women, women to women. And what are you on because one equal way. Umu ame Suzu ye call, Umu Monica ye call, Umu Vera ye call. Other women, you post it together, you settle this issue amicably. Peace good day. This noise making, this madness, it will go off air, social media. Call Lolo, bring Lolo together, put Lolo on call, put Monica on call. What is the verse Monica? Monica go vomit her. What is the verse Lolo? Lolo go vomit her. Where you go for wrong, you give this one. Where this one for wrong, you give this one. Case close. A matter of you know, I interrogate, Maggie on let peace day. I make an agree, I got agree our dollar. Peace very peaceful. But you people will not do such thing. Instead, you join this one. I support Monica. I support Lolo. I support Monica. I support Lolo. Quarrel. This one could they bully this one. This one could they bully this one. This one could they bully this one. Not everything one lead us to. You're gonna lead the marry. The funniest part was you as a grandmother. I can only say you are a mother. You are a grandmother that we all should give respect to. Or you think maybe sometimes you are go you that we go yiki and a good town. Ya go ego. Ya that we go yiki and a good town. Or who are the yago ego. It make sense. I want to know when I see. Oh, you know what? There are a lot of grandmom on this social media. They will live video. Go to YouTube. Go see our Benin women. When they talk about Edo, have you ever seen the Musaga? There is one grandmother, international TV. One grandmother, international TV. Oh, no, you know. Go to the YouTube and search for her on YouTube. Listen to her when she's speaking. Ajose. I've never seen her. I've never seen one person saga that woman. And they watch her YouTube, which they do teach Bini. A lot of a parent social media with my do. I've never seen one person insulting them. They are teaching Bini language. When I have way do it, imagine one presenter Maladian, those are Ghanaian. Why your own case different? The person you are even supporting now every minute, every second. The person now you only wear like the social media to disgrace you, disgracing you away. You know, beware the social media now. She brought you to social media. You know, say, well, social media do working with you. I just tired for the kind way you did the reason. And the funniest part, the people following you, I don't understand. The kind of people no really look when I don't understand. Because again, my way na aro. I want to go one man luwe. I want to piri one yeti go egu. Ima show yang ale liwe. Abeti yang wali egbele. This thing are egbele ima. Because you need to be talking to a life in now. Agale latia, aridia. Agale lago, arigo. But with this man, ye boy, a matter on what day between you and Vera. Where ye boy were wrong. You are very, very wrong. Where you for wrong. Now you start this. We want to see the truth. Message to you want to see the truth. Wora who Vera ne. E Vera na gboro no sugbo. E Vera gbe money carry lologun. O ma gbe ye boy gun. E wo yen ga agogun. E Vera e Monica be lolo. E Vera ga agogun. The truth is about Monica and Lolo issue. Case when na court case. We no tell me ola dian we. No na me court case. Why the lina ye court? Why when ye court? I want to see the truth. I want to see the truth. The truth will you go you know. The girl they do your own thing. Now your own content be that one. Now your own packaging be that one. The way for constantly fall out be that one. Now looking another tier but no more. Do ati we no make na ata ado ata la social media we no gba ye boy kaka bo mu pa mu were re ni tama na no ki were be return your step as a grandmother. Return your step as a grandmother. E so no ila dia mu we ma keke no la dia mu we as ije boy the Ileledo talk show. Ileledo Foundation talk show. O ma keke ni gba mi so la dia mu we ma keke no la dia mu we. Amamio is only inside 100% of our women in diaspora. Maybe 15% or 20% or ma gbegbe agya we. Nike eya gbegbe agya. Ati yawo when e Vera high any booking. But majority of not 80% no gbe any majority of it 60% of it eya la gbodone. Eya ya biomo ni ya ke si gumo dan oyen negbi ni ya ke si gumo dan oyen negbi ni ya ke no rogo dan oyen negbi ni ya do le gbiyan do le wiyanji e bo na because ni en negbe ni ro yan ye gbe ladian ma mi abe ni wa ye ri egbo ma ti sese gwanti ni egbo ma gwa le pasajo eni o ye talo live video ni o ye talo le platform ni o call le platform ni na pale ta so you understand ye boy Dioro ni dio wanu kere because you came from a responsible home. Respect that home. That home you came from is a responsible home. Respect that home because in such a social media presenters, yeah, as usual, no, yeah, you can't mind that wedding they responsible, no responsible. As far as we disgrace her, they will fall out and insult the family. And it's very, very bad. E mata ma wena tinye unyime no nyiwe social media eso ma eso ma ave se no gbe ni ma o gbagbe woni o gbagbe no ga gbe se le eso live video presenters mo no keke no we ara ti wo awo mo me de na re Germany mo me de na re we now you know frankly mo me de na re Germany post e gun ya how we were no I will not do that I yet deny because you have helped me. You understand? The whom the ijobogedegben we carry in many that Because of that, anything will happen. Frankly, one man, frankly, ulule. You understand? A live video presenters, majority of them were Eviniata, 80% who you know, unless only the person that know you through well. When imagine, no cast take when I know everything about you. Also, when I tell me where social media, you know what you are fear, you man. But your character will determine if that thing that person is saying is true or not true. Because I don't know the way you are behaving. You understand? A man you understand even the way you behave. No, you can hear now this small thing. If you can't hear your social media every time, every minute, every seconds, it make sense. Deviate from it. See Vera, give Vera body no maybe. Since you make up go down your aro you lolo you if Vera maro we me. But Vera waga mu yo mu Vera yo yanime. Waga gbegbe me we ma re we ma ho. O honya, o ma kun yo. So why now? Why now? Why now you want okay you me do gbin na the money kana. My sister ya ka voice over in yo. O ha ri gbin na the money ka. Social media na ya va we gbe. Presenters ya wa nya no we gbe. Laho why ko awo we. Ile le do talk show ni why ko awe. O anota so no man yet yan my things call him I will answer it. You know me. Ezebe yan. We are to mbona we front de na iri time we na we get na tie we do na. Even na tie we do na. You know ya go na. Teach you that. That's me for you. Mami se no gbele loga Monica na. Ki we de gbewo. Iye boy ki we de gbewo because live video presenter na Nigeria. Emi go Canada way here. Advice now the advice you now as my sister. You understand? Ki we de gbewo. Focus on your own program and be doing it. See Vera e Vera ma kpo no so gbo. Yet to blame Vera na. Cannot blame Vera. Let Vera ka wa rowi when I will go egun. That is when I will believe Vera. Woka fit beg Vera. That's why. Vera don't have any fault. Vera has one go egun now. Any fault because work no so be. You understand? Wo ya kpo no so be. And no buy. You are a grandmother. You should be responsible. You understand? When we saga ni because that type of saga. But majority of what I'm saying is the truth. So if I'm giving you with it, if I'm falling to you, if I'm dealing with you with the truth, it's not saga. Erebo na, erebo mo ogbo, erebo wa lo yeke we, erebo na wa gu. All those one are true lie. We all know. And ya wo saga one, and do are ma gidi me yo, mi se ku make na re. You understand? So, my sister, la ho yo salo ba yin. Mada yin la jana na do di budenu la ho. E saga no wa de na, pari boy wo, wa di gbe wo. Iwe de gbe do go egbon na, e saga no de na. E gbe yin bo. Igbe nu enwe ti gun ayo giyan wa ko agbele giyan amira e Monica no gun kan no my me face to face o my Monica wa e Monica my wa you might even see her tomorrow I get live video ga beauty camera e ya pet nu ya nyama nyama na pet yan ya wo gba o yan gbe plaster pa amu first layer amu second layer do gbe shan ni mo understand ayoro ya si ya fi my face ya hon e la me de ke yan hi e ko e la me a pe ken pe smith pa the work. Understand? Why are you to kabana? Why so my sister, I don't da ma say do are you get benu kire. You understand? I don't da ba do give live video presenter do are you get benu kire. It's not fair. That's the reason why I'm here. Sometimes if I want to talk to you, you are a bunny way. And how we go you are a bunny way. Advice na me no. Ki we be wo ekinudo na ema. Ekinuduna ema. On kakere agbo egun o sun reply. Yeah. The video when I'm in.
I'm not calling word no way the voice record go want my care my area. My sister. Why getting? Dating is strong, getting me strong. They are getting women. Why getting women your money? Let's go kitchen and stand on my feet. Batole. Obi mi ọpẹ náà batọlọ. Kẹ̀kẹ́ ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ abẹ́ṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ní tọlọ. Ìwádìí wà náà ẹgbẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ náà tọlọ náà mú kí èpèjọ wa ẹsẹ̀ tọlọ polo wa. Vera, èrò dàfọ̀ wẹ́wù ìwé di pùn. Because a video, my mommy video is Monica. What you work, my mommy can Monica nothing where Lareo to be na me, my mommy. We might work on the ethic because in my way. Name me another college video way. Not that way where PCA, loud, see, never would be. Only me, or see, never would be. Briname. And here I said a video where there are. My mom is taking the one, whatever. Benin, the money.
Udoge mi na mudai ro ye wena mi. Even when mudai talo da mi de Monica. O ya mi no send we happy. When mudai talo na we sing you sing na now. You understand na? Na hu dai do adu ye we ro ye we. Tell me emi we no feel ya for many years. Na no dai do am mata ga latian. Me Monica. Na mi ekwe. Ye boy. Na mi ekwe. Does even with na water? Tell me Vera few beg you when ya. With Vera over you way. We na Ladiana na ho. You no be where Vera over anyhow. Monica. Monica. We binano now. Now do ya few beg your mom or you no if you for many years. No market night ya home ho. Only hear me na tell you. Mo ta ya mo than live video. You understand? No, we pina banana or na mu de e buwe rataro we or taro yo tuno to tunekiri rataro we jue rataro yo na okpa we gbewe e red mie bude no ma wa o no have a red okpa half you begi we na la do ayosa na do ari o ya no ro heavy no gbe
Ati me want to do pin ani. So you dey say she go over to my way. Then to go back to be me la go Vera. E que nem a lição ali na mal da stante eu lá go je me pas bete pa me la go. E ba mi ana la je we ru wa we. O wa ri kutero. Asi ani nene zo na for that is what me gwa no go so na. I could talk like that to me. My new. He gave all the letter. Put him one here now. He let go le carry. He mami. So we very uso. E Vera no we look at go. E Vera. O we me asia what that small boss. Vera. O plan we bio me fana. E tata no we bio me fana. O ma ti wa. No we to bio pa no we le hiana. O ma ti wa. Me ma understand to where Vera. Me me ngwe kwa lo be me. O we me ade ku we go Vera. E video ni u. Afa video u we api ma ya iya ma kwa no dame o e ga be. Ani ya no information me ni afio ko. Iya ma kwa no dame o e. But una to dame a class. Una mi gi ma ro ye we. E boya no tie me na ka ke be ganji we. E no tu pase wa ja asa. Ana mi gbe e video ni we. He might see a bone. I only give you advice when the man operate here in that video. That is what I said. Vera, oh, when I'm not here now. You know when I have information when the church of Pamaga, Joe, me then no man. On a what can in a way myself. I say no more like that, but manager or whatever. One of them commented, a bonito take about this work, what a varese. There, you mean photocopy of a resident varese, maybe a mouth. In that mean we now do make any pressure. Who there in winner or you will be to take pressure to that. And I'm not letting no man. I must take 25 years in war yet to. Ebon and not let no man. No one out there with that. But I say I just church here. I said church over here. And then I said church. And more than the church out there. Mama, mommy. Naya, see. Oh, na Piero, waga na toka na wa gaeno, ana gano kari me o me ga gulo to awo. E choti ma.
You understand? So yeah, do Boyi. They are talking on am making sense. You understand? Yeah, where when you go we Vera no or say no
Ma ya ni
which is not fair as a mother. You understand? So we Vera.
Mona call hear the truth oh, mona emi ask am.
Vera very life. Man, I hear the truth. We give me what I went.
Mona emi ask am.
When I get
Oh yes, my people. Yes, I'm grateful people. Oh God, guys. If I dive into this matter, she know very well say the truth. They will come no say that she dey lie. That's the reason why all of them were against me. When all of them were not.
What?
Fischfutter Fachhandelfinder oder kurz Amazon Alexa.
Sprich mit mir.
Positive, viva Boyi, Kule Lupe, Iyekeli. What the man get no man like Bill. And then when they process the dance, they don't wear you know where you make what they bank for where. And then bank more where you get like really. I hope you are fine. Are you okay? Iyekeli when they brush the dance, Iyekeli now wanna walk. Iyekeli go and look for important one mukumpu. Iyekeli ba po Kule Lupe. Mama Geli. I'm not going to be able to take native breed, not to give up now and bear. See? But I mean, what good wife a bank will like really. You don't see me don't write piece name for my war. Piece name. When you make boy a boy mare. Where you don't work on a fine, a fancy yari. When you make boy a boy mare. No. When you're the boy man, please share this video, guys. Since I've been doing my thing, have you ever seen that I come outside and be measuring pisi I hear you one? Geli, Mama Geli, when I call Mama Geli for because you not get boy, get one call your boy. I'm with your boy, not even for loud with me. You not get boy again, Then call yourself Mama Geli. Because I don't know why as old as you are. And when your mama, because I hear your one up, it's busy for us now and your mother. When your mother come outside, come they lie against me. When she called me,
Yes, so my people, now so I play that video issue. But understand, because if you see that video, the way I see that video, because I never play on the way I see that video, I see a full option of insults. You understand? Full option of insult now for that video. You get where the way you're not boom or get back. You understand? It cannot do all we know here we here. So ye boy ye baby you be Vera. You understand? Because don't ma will not be Vera. We video give Vera. If Vera got that January ye boy. So you hear me when you have but I'm Vera. But let's place in that day we Vera will go too far. Oh yeah, no, ya argue anyway. You know, 2 years. That is totally barbaric. Omagba. If I mean that day we Vera will be cool. You understand? Or ma make sense. Want to saga that person, you can saga the destiny of that person. You understand? Only money make sense. And the ye boy we measure it all. You understand? Measure it all. Kati. You see all those your that body la mo bana stop am. Opologbe no support arun pa. Opologbe no it's support. It was support Obaseki na dey kile na. When ye boy really by with the many squad, but yeah, shati Obaseki. Today na yagedo. Alokon we are loading and who see do make it happen. Kabi kina mi ogo mu ya ne. Dia ma kama wo. Abi ya video go enu debe. You understand? So my sister, la ho you salo boy me. Stop all those here. I will know. I don't have to tell you before. Several times now I tell you. It's not a shame. You see, all I watch, I did here as your brother. I be live video presenters. A man in my hand, a YouTubers in my hand. And they carry their link, they come out on daily basis. Maybe they help them subscribe. Put you will be my sister. I don't think that carry your link come out one day. Deti mate negbe Monica ma Monica. E Monica carry ya mo link well than ya subscribe. You understand? For ages, if sometimes wow baby we live in saga in tell Monica was saga no saga. It corrected Monica from her evil ways. Yeah, boy, you are monetized today. Vera is monetized today. If not for me, you people could have not been monetized. The credit should come to me. That's my beg Monica. You know, I told Tanya destiny what? Eh, Zua Boyakun. Who are here at Harry? Can why you ever Vera now is coming out on daily basis. The more Vera is doing video, the more is working. Even Vera Wayeni. The more the Vera have video page you're gonna monetizing you. The more a month you have a clear your accounts. You understand? But if not for when you are disgracing Monica to the estate, no, they don't I'm not getting one here and Monica. It's him, I think I'm Yadi Vera. Also, why have by thousands in working with YouTube, Facebook, Vera. Okay, the monetize well. Eti Monica Mweli Kuwela the other day of Boyi. Now I'm 600 subscribers. Now I go now celebrate for how many years that you have been following her. If not for the way the yag web, if you truly love, why don't you bring up your link? Come on, I said, you all, Precious Meg, all of them. It should bring up people link out. Let you, our own fans support you people. That's the highest support. So that people will still grow. The relationship will grow. It should let you people to grow. One, why are you back? But the most important thing, please, what's stop away? On the Vera was so can I have answer Vera, reply Vera, do your lane because of your children, because of your family. You understand? Please, either those look by me away. A married those here born. A matter on the Marotoma who are wrong, big time. Wrong. They do my wrong, Ibana. Vera, oh, Hanonia. You understand? Let's walk, pull no be Vera, Vera, pull no boy. Understand, Vera? And I will go to stop following married women. Stop it. Stop here at your bonnet. Only thing I at your bonnet. Stop. A way or no. Now just we be that one. Ugo, stop. Now we. My we at you. Junior Judah. But my yes, one of such a girl. Yeah, Vala Diana, you have one kind. A Matthew Vera, de Vera Mumata Guian, the other Vera no difference. I don't know. You understand? You may watch a video no go. I was ashamed of myself. Even people that was watching the video was insulting you. You understand? The man that is not like afraid to say the truth. Always hide on or let you cook. Or the inigo will hear you know why I'm mana. You can't tell Latin Temata Maya. No bad. That's why I assume you come and you speak the truth. You cannot get it on who you're getting. You cannot get it on who you're getting. Now I've been one. Ima igwe wana nwa ni ma adwiko igwe wana nwa bia ikazen wado igwe wana nwa ikazen wado igwe adwiko agbon na woni na do mu ebe na lega sanyona bo man danyo yi se ava ko ere adanyo yi you understand danyo yi se asanyo abu here ba mu ebe na ni nwa merit yan ma wa ni de because me wo ya gwa so ya gun a oye no mi o ma ti o waya must take no one. You understand? Any arrow water, water, then wag painted to the favor of those women to be giving you personal change or only one new hinwa mu hinwa wow onye guna another pekus of it go now another short of it me pekus of it new pekus na tan lo that time ẹ̀yin mímọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ náà ẹ̀yin mímọ̀ gbẹ́ ẹ̀yin mímọ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ ìzọba kò ní bì ọ̀bẹ yà bá dáná nìyẹn èyí yà live life ọ̀rẹ́ èdè kò yà live life ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀yẹ̀ gbé yà bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ọ̀bẹ yà bá dáná ẹ̀yin mímọ̀ náà gbà ọ̀yẹ̀ mú ọ̀bẹ yẹn nìyẹn ọ̀nìyàn ẹ̀bẹ̀ mi hìn yà ọ̀yẹ̀ gbọ́dọ̀ bẹ́gẹ̀ ẹ̀yin mímọ̀ èyí wọ̀ yà wọ̀ life ọ̀rẹ́ that's just the way she live her life he lives her life so ẹni yẹn wọn gbé yà rẹ nínú gì náà yẹn nínú gì boga nínú gì wí ẹ̀ náà má ti pa kàn ẹ́ akonoro no mati pa konoro no ni na kon ewia so every now when you are telling me understand e bi e ka ni ma ni me nwa wa ari egwa ni yan o to saga yan e saga o wa mi han o saga wa ya gwa to ma yan no se ti le me wo saga eru yan oporopa no se ti le me wo saga eru yan oporopa but I just give them sense ini yan ni yan why misbehave can emoji come we mona behave we bona they learn fast from that childhood they learn fast ya yan wo kan ya iyore ya si lagbada ti lo yin pupa every video every live video ni yan he yo ere mi na eku omo ere na wo kan ni wo ko ni akọ ko ni me dian oge wa ko ni akọ e ma yen me zo as ita go ni awo si yan di wo boss se ko ni ke social media na e do wo kun nu kiri ọmọ ma ere de so an yan ni gbe so an live video ne wa do give boy live video ogononga ke na ya awo mu godo ya ru mo ma gba wa mo si no ma so an yan odu Vera lo ye o la dia live video wa do a che die gbu wa live video imagine no woro wa seriously egbe ma de oko wa ni bu ato ke no we mo ko wa o egbe ma ni oko how can you imagine ogun mo ko wa wo kan gba wo nyanga wala dia by good content with good advice to the people wa la dia fun time na ask us question very nothing people very low life people what madam talk on that one madam Joe yeah madam Gumagun. You see the problem with women, the reason why some women can never get married. You listen to that woman talk on a video they go. On a video they go. The video they go. Oh, you know, time they carry man no give. On a video they go. I go on the book one. One thing more women, but it's my uncle. Imagine I don't like this kind of women. They do what? Oh my video they go. And okay, they know. When I get Martin over, I bow no. Work is what I move here. I'll take by where you're priceless. Mommy will not Vera now you're priceless. Mommy will not Vera now you're priceless. Yo, I don't care. God. I don't care. Yes, I got. You don't give me right now. Oh, boy, I use it too here. Oh, come on, where you may have you did. Amen, you can make you did. Wabugo, you are Bola, our Banuga. God, I believe it, man. Where are you paid you? Where are you paid you? This is young man Mugu. Let me go and pick it from your page. Oh, you love her. You love her. You love her. He love me. Oh, you know that. You know that. Oh, no. You get where? You know that. Una man not your body, you know that. You know that when you get with Saga, you with Saga. You with Saga. You know that when you get with Saga. But when no more do you know go boy. When no more do you know. What bell? When no more do you know. You know that. You know that. Sorry. Sorry. When we love you. Yeah, yeah, àwọn lọ́kì dákẹ́ ọmọ rẹ̀ lẹ́dí bí àwọn blọ́kì rẹ̀ wọ́n wá ti nìyẹn rẹ̀ wọ́n gẹ̀ aṣáwó náà wà gẹ̀ wà ní Paris wà gbé àgẹ̀ wà gẹ̀ wà ní ilẹ̀ ogun ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ ogun ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ ogun ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ rẹ́dọ̀dọ̀ ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ rẹ́dọ̀dọ̀ ọgbọ́ ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ọmọ rẹ̀ lẹ́dí yọ rẹ́dọ̀dọ̀ àbí yẹlọ́ra ìlọ́fọ̀ hàn án gbìyànjú hàn án wẹ́n ní gẹ̀ ìwé ságà hàn án wẹ́n ní gẹ̀ ìwé ságà. Ele é mesmo social media, né? É muito sobre social media de como ela eu não get where about what eu não get e aí gaso no né o dodinho isso oh gan ari hula dia na ge we do you be agree oda fún wala live video yan ni hula dia owo gun gbe platform we dey ya ke platform ogun yin wa wo yin wa is better
Sandra Dipo. Oh, why you know what?
I forgot to go further now. I forgot that where do you get bro?
Yeah, I want to contribute for the talk with the talk. So, we have clear for my own side, we have clear some things for what we keep on going and talk on the line. Me now, on my home, I feel stay. I feel stay so I don't meet man for years. Like me now, when last I meet my husband, it don't pass 1 year. Even when I get belay, if my husband near me, go be like say as the body pepper me. I don't like him. So
I use God beg una followers, listeners. I use God beg una. Una see people wey dey call in for majority of our platform. Some they talk sense, fact. But I not forget to, but I start talking. See some of the people wey dey call in for my platform. They be like say they select them. Some they talk sense, and as a normal human being, man, they pick sense for waiting callers they talk. The nonsense wey dey, the fun wey dey, una go leave them. You understand? Una not make use of them. Like most of all this kind of caller wey you dey call for, you know, the platforms. So all those girls wey dey for Paris, some wey depression one
see one person will still confess or women.
like this one now wey you dey talk now. Wait, just say if you just stay for 1 year now, you and your husband not dey one, you not get husband. Two, if you as you talk, maybe na road work you dey now. You care what I did with hey, whatever. Every video come on, you. Also, okay, I'm gonna give you no book with faith. Where? 1 year, my girl. We marry. To vote with faith, yo. To vote with faith. Uvun with faith. Uvun. Uga am atano. Ufri. Uga aweka for 1 year. We no with faith, boy. With faith, ya ku again baby no. Understand? Ogbe. One get fun. Ìgbà wí kọ́lá rẹ̀ náà ìyá tó rìwú wàá dáhùn yọ ìyá ẹjọ́ rẹ̀.
You think that but not all. Maybe some you do and some not but me. No. I can stay for years. Okay. I don't do work, I don't do anything. But that thing says stay. I can stay. For years.
But me get yes.
You know they do.
You don't answer me.
You know they use
I
cucumber.
know
You know they use cucumber. Not
wetin be cucumber. Wetin be cucumber help me. I know they use cucumber. I know they use nothing. I can stay. I'm talking for myself. I know they talk for other people.
I like that word. I like that word.
Yeah. Like I talk for. I know they talk for that. I feel stay. A year plus now. Like man never near me. But if I see my husband, the very first day, I will grab them. Now, so it be say, no, I feel stay. That's why I can stay for a year. Nobody. Because I know the kind of when I for come, so I feel stay.
Yeah, that one.
And also, they say because I call you, because of only one session I'll go do with another person, I'll call it good for my full lifetime. No, I can stay. For myself, not for other person. I should stay.
Thank you, man.
No problem.
Thank you, Mr. Pesico.
Una do well. The one we say they go fit stay. The one we say they no go fit stay. The one we be one stay. The one we be one come stay. Una do well. All of them are all of us. Rather there is a stay. Tomorrow we will finish with this single mother. This useless single mother. We're gonna finish with her tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me today on this topic. And I so much love and encourage you guys for your contribution so far. Thank you so much. This is a new one of Deutschland. Yes, hello, Boyi. Hello.
Hello, Boyi.
Hello.
Good evening. This call away call just now. Say she go fit stay for 1 year. Some people don't go talk like today. How you want to stay for 1 year? Now people will get depression. Now you know if they make love. People will get depression. Then they get the urge because you know say each person get depression. They think too much.
Come back again. People will
get depression. Yes, I'm telling you the fact. People will get depression and then
you know people will get depression.
Yes, and then they get the urge for sex.
When I turn off.
If one they touch them, they rotate them. I'm telling you the fact. When they say maybe if person get belly, they kill me your husband. Yeah, you want them to say if you get belly just from the first month, you know, kill me your husband, touch you again. Everybody get their own feelings. You understand? Some people say early of the pregnancy, they start to meet with their husband well. But if the pregnancy don't still big, they don't go fit again. You understand? So see there, people say early of the pregnancy, no don't need them, no just touch them. But if the pregnancy don't get big, they can go over they call their husband, they make it go through. So you understand? So I'm telling you the fact. Everybody make different. But that when they say 1 year, who are saying that you stay for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, you don't meet madam, when they talk truth, you got no blame. You get no care. I do not be the best person everybody there. For good 1 year. What did they happen? They don't get maybe they talk through for a year or maybe they don't they talk live for a year. What should they talk? For 1 year. Who will just pay for 1 year?
Hey, don't give one that for that.
You know, there's no go get now. And even this day, every sister said that they go the test they do. Because of say, no be reverend sister. Even say your husband, maybe somebody husband travel. Your husband no fit your travel. Come on, go spend one year now. Just go spend 1 year. Let's go when they come from Nigeria, they leave their wife for Nigeria. Okay, that one is different. Tell me, please, now we don't take this road. So we don't take this road now. But there's people I don't see many men. Only people they tell you. I don't see many. Say 1 year. Why? That depression is very depressing. That depression because the person says it's when they teach something like this. I know because they don't get urge for love making. You know if you get the urge for love making because the place is supposed to be made for the people. People don't food there. Yes, because take it off food there. Then you hear me say. Yes. So when they stop in the program and say 1 year. 1 year na thickness, constant thickness. They make people do this. Or you know circumcise 1 year. Like the other line, you know work. we woman, I mean, they talk truth. Now, woman will be they talk truth. Maybe say sometimes, especially husband not there for night. Maybe your husband travel one month now. For night, if no day, you get where they feel sometimes. You go feel say yes. You go take the urge say yes. You are feeling like making love. They are telling me that one good year will just be like that. Okay. I'm good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, so my people. When I see this woman wake up, so she makes some points and she also makes some nonsense. But in every nonsense, there is always a sense. I will let you now understand. Say some women did for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. This abroad, they never name man. They did plenty. You understand? Not be say maybe their body, they did depression, they get depression. I mean, they never name man. I mean, they don't get that urge. Some women did this abroad. Will be say they love to near man almost every day. But you get what man go do for their eye. They will give themselves time. That will cause self-discipline. You as a woman, you as a man. The same thing goes to man. Not be, when they talk about women. What about we be men? So men, they who you can. You understand? So men don't stay with that. Yeah, man, I make also not make the society Yahweh or Mukian. They cannot discipline themselves. You understand? Women that is abroad 5 years, they're not the name man. Then they will get those kind of women for this abroad. Not before that. I know who they talk about Nigeria because you know Nigeria correct me. Me they talk about this abroad so. Some are single mother. 5 years, 3 years, or man, we could be a you know, tell you, while I kaka, a come, or you could, oh, you can't understand. Then the problem with you see this one we don't talk so now. Why should they talk this one? So women, the way they take roti, the way they take roti, then still they get that belief. Say so all that women roti. The truth of the way some women take roti, they still get that belief. Say now so all that women roti. So in all that thing, say the way he set his thing, if you just see my don't admire her, the next thing I go tell money can when I go swear. And then that's no lag where you know he tell you get color. Hello. I go to you. I did live video or speaker.
I know. What is that woman? They told me to book me. Not being who here and let she finish that contribute.
Oh yeah, contribute your own. Yeah.
The woman they mention 1 year. I still say like 100 years. So this kind of woman now the ratio they give women. We be say we dey husband ask. This kind of woman now I be say if her husband travel. Maybe our husband travel for business issue now. Yeah. You know, not be the journey, not be so it come for good.
Okay.
So you can't say maybe if plan say you want to travel for 6 months, then something can't happen. You might just stay extra time, reach 1 year or more than 1 year. This kind of woman now they go come on, look at it, your friend can't happen the talker. All because 1 year, 1 year, something stay for 1 year. This woman, no. I don't care if this man will come into this program and come insult me. But now this kind of woman, now that they shook leg, they go inside bush. When we say the person they bring this way, they call they give women.
Yes.
After they say 1 year, she said 100 years.
Yes.
So she said that she's talking about depression. Woman, when they say come man, they come they husband out. The man come travel, the man come there. So one or two things come, the man come they crazy. When they say that they put men for prison for 2 years, 3 years.
Yes.
So now this time women are their life is not there. If they say they don't defeat, they wait for their husband. That what did that time call herself for? When she stop, she wait for 1 year. That 1 year too small. Now what is the 1 year when woman don't go feel stay? Woman when they say if you be say na single mother na single, say she not the husband, fine. Any man when is so star. If you say, man, give this man fire.
Yes.
No, you say you day husband, you and your husband, 1 or 2 things come happen, you and your husband not come day out at that time, because you spend 1 year, 2 years, you say you don't feel wait for that. You when this one, they mention 1 year, see the corrupt other women now, say if their husband, situation come happen, when you say their husband not there for 1 year, see they are bad all those men, I mean they go to the suplex for us, they go to stand follow another man for outside. Okay. Now they have that when this man decide to give. Because the way she measure that 1 year, they think they provoke me. What is the question 1 year when you're sitting 100 years? Let's try to explain. I don't understand this kind of woman. So this kind of woman now is just clear say I don't know how to talk about.
Now hope you.
Crash.
Hope you.
I went to the sponsor where they say, I'm gonna make your government no go fit state.
Child.
Person like that, that's woman be. So make she not take her own self to compare other women.
Exactly.
Say she no go fit state, another woman not fit state. Not be so. Everybody body not be this. Everybody gets their own feeling. So if our own people they crash her like this thing, like he will wait, say she no go fit keep her own body, other people go fit keep their own body. Me when they talk, I go fit stay for more than I go fit stay for 5 years. That 1 year when that girl they talk, if I don't stay for more than 1 year, I don't stay for more than 1 year. Even when I never even married, I don't say I did my decision. This set of a thing like brain. Set of a thing like brain. When you be saying you keep control.
Exactly.
Something like that, she won't keep control. She won't go the shoot. As to go to the cook or anything where she makes the carry and the go. There are people where get brain like that, where they say we keep control of our own. Make she just live, but make she not go to talk about depression. As I walk there, nothing more talk.
Well, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Yes, so my people, never nonsense. There's always the sense. You understand? I don't know. I don't see a woman for good 20 years. You don't sleep with your husband. Wait, me, I have to talk this thing first. For good 20 years, how it happen? Then, as he give the boy, as he give the boy, as a marriage finish, the woman get belly. Now the man, and the guy travel. He did America. He did America. Oh, this if they call, the same money they come, they call, the same money they come, they call, the same money they call. It gets with time. The boy not call, they call again. He not call the same money they come, they give the woman again. And this woman, the family come to take care of this woman. They come train this speaking all this university before the man come Nigeria. This man now can't even marry another woman from this same Nigeria, but that's a Benin. Carry on, go America. The one when give belle when marry for grant, when give belle to, that one still they wait for a husband. That one go they go church to church, fasting to fasting, prayer to prayer. See the thinking say something happened to him, husband for America. I don't say Baba Waria who America. I don't know with Diana. I don't know with Nigeria. I don't know America. Ni eka wari ni no bi pa ni only one boy bomb for that one still they hard with that one his son don't enter university. No more America. Only know the more you go. Oh God, this story goes sweet now. Ni you go to marry more America. A small girl you go marry in Nigeria more America. Only know the who you can do. I know deporting Baba Adiowa. Now get on class. And the woman Baba Adiowa. And back to our beggar. Not to be a mon cow. The only child in me. I beg on it. For back on the talk story. You understand? This woman waited for good 20 years. Oh, yeah, Odera Hui. I do go by a Hui, but the balance one sad may I wait to talk. I can't take care. Ekuya Hui. A toya song. I was a bing. Odera laughing now. Ekuya. Or we are teasing this every year. You understand? Depends on you as a woman. We also run not to stand by their ways. If we also run not to stand by their ways, some men can decide say, hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello?
Good afternoon. I hear you back and play.
About with a smile.
I got my drink. I want you, my or speak out.
When you contribute in water now, all you story me over water.
Okay.
Today, oh, how no way 1 year ni iwagi. Ika bengwe 16 years, even we water now was no down we 20 years. 16 years.
Yeah.
I test for Nigeria. 3 years, they be we bonano da for me to move. Iwa raw, Imanu we are because Ivi gbanke andorie me ovie dobe sesesekin akame je were okbia ero bia ni be kekibira me iya we mi kugbe emi ni wa ina wineva a nurse ehi iga wina hospital ogebo a government because inwina ogota yari private udege.
Yes.
Then weekend ina yawe another course again. Bizards me. The last protect. I just zero myself around my two lovely children. Udege. Because of this, with my God, in order to train him, if you can ever like invest in 16 years, or you only 16 years, or negati, or moho never tia, or moho never Italy, mana, only nagli yagun, but Mario Boni. Because in my way wedding, yeah, white, traditional, everything. Or Mario Hona wadu biele hane, but I go mamma or nyonda for me. Or nagli yagun, way me no yas Nigeria na iga vievo ni adugwa lo mi ni alila ho kedo te gbe ku ya gbo ya zet mo wa ni ya ma be rian udege ko ya eti mere ne na me oda fun edo te gbe sun in life all over even mi opa nothing all these years even mi opa oku ni wa ku ye igo ge aye ga isi fa. But now me not really note it making win na regular na we igbaya I manage wahia udege oh here especially na ja we have very wa udege brother.
Beautiful.
Even though even share a story now with ohoni here.
Thank you very much.
Me watching that mu marry na 3 years or you marry na.
Thank you very much. That's our DHL wife. Only my DHL wife.
Domo. Papa with the smile.
Ya you lo jakane.
Sa?
Iwu ya you lo jakane. Dege no nini, dege no ye na bi.
It's a jaka. Imemwina. Imemwina tete. Iponise tete hiyawa.
Udege go e grado si yasewebu. Inguna gbe wo do wina.
You may come away. Deputy Metro Mega Federal Medical Center.
What you want to put this with?
Oh, they said that I was in many Nigeria. In your work hospital, may not one win now. Oh, go here, Mega. You not go, no.
All right, ma. Thank you very much. All right, now, ciao.
I will say all right, sir.
Yeah. Yoruba Z. Yes, so my people, now the truth, you understand. So I'm good to know better. Okay. Hello. Hello. What up, man? We are hearing you that play. Yes.
If you don't know analyze it now, welcome. Don't load this thing. If you don't know analyze it now, other for say the go me that fi say you una. Anyway, for 6 years, no one 1 year, 3 months in a certain state. For 6 years, mudia. After the that kind 5 months, literally. Before we know sunu na sunu, la famina do are ekinoga aje. Upe ha igbe ni ya mujo hada for 6 years. You can have your money. Or money na do we 6 years. Ima amamu go yo we get you, amamu go yo we here. Here why bia, amamu wa ke ru digo no mu yo we na amudia. No. Because he moved ya, he went when
yeah, exactly.
When I hear Guanania, I get as a bee, never mind. I'm not casting less soon. I baby, Manado like Jimmy. For the past 4 years now, Mary we carry Jimmy, Jenna, and other friend around here, or any Tana. So, oh, when watch it, one watch it. That's when I have your more.
4 years plus 6 years. That's 10 years. But may they enjoy that when hello network. Yes, so oh yeah, now let's go there.
As I get you one. You are this your call. You are when we call when you are. You are. It is your way. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, good evening. Good evening.
The person that about what talk.
Yes, talk.
You get with somebody talk. When I lost that me talk. You say in the first 1 year. Until when you just talk finish, so now God go bless you. You see women when they first stay for 1 year, depression with their body, not be here. Not be here at all. I beg go, if una like, una don't marry, una never marry. Even if una husband there for another country, my sister body must crash body. Your body must crash. Why women they talk like? Why we look at? Why women they talk? Why do they talk like? Women, we are too active in sex, especially African. You see my problem with African women, especially Nigerian women. They don't want to talk so that make people not body shame una. Auntie, make una not go use it a bitter, you know, make people not body shame us. Come take una self for.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware